Hi everybody, it's Kate from Tested, and I'm here to talk to you about my favorite things for 2018. Now, first up, I have these scissors, and they look like just normal scissors, but what I really love about them is that they can cut through anything, and I'm talking brass sheets, and it just feels like butter. These are made by Engineer, and they're called PH 50 and 51. And you can see like one's a bit bulkier than the other. But I found these by accident in Adam's shop, and I realized you could cut through anything you wanted, and they've made my life so much better. So they're definitely one of my favorite things. Next up is my ProPoxy 20. I worked on a job earlier this year where I was dealing with puppet armatures, and I must have tested every epoxy known to man, including liquid and epoxy putty. I could not find anything stronger or easier to use, fast setting than the ProPoxy 20. It is steel reinforced. It's very strong. You can drill into it, you can sand it, and I've even used this to mount magnets into, and it didn't interfere too much. There's a slight bit of magnetism in it, but not much. It was definitely a lifesaver a few times for me. All right, here we have a Fiskars fingertip craft knife, and as you can see, you pull it off. It is pretty much like a normal X-Acto blade, except that it has this really great ergonomic grip to it. So instead of the usual where you're holding on to a pen-like shape and you're really killing your other fingers because you're having to do a lot of pressure on there, this is really nicely shaped. You can grip it like so and really get in there and cut whatever you need. They also make a few other variations of this, including one that has a swivel blade on it, which is great for doing curves. But I have used this countless times this year and I love it. Here I have some diamond files. They are precision files. They are similar to a lot of other kinds of metal rasps, only they are diamond coated. So one of the things that means is that they don't go dull. They might get built up with some glue or paint or whatever you're working with. You can easily clean them with some sandpaper or some alcohol, but I have bought the cheapest sets before from Harbor Freight, you know, maybe $5, and they really last. They're workhorses. You get great precision work. They're even coated on the edges. So if you need something that's really flat, if you're having trouble reaching a certain area, it's really phenomenal. I love them. My last favorite thing is an app. It's called Libby. And one of the reasons I love it is because it allows me to get as many audiobooks as I want for free. The way it works is that you have to have a library card, and you put your information in here, and you have access to the library's audiobooks or digital ebooks. And what's great is that you can put in multiple accounts. So because I'm in California and they allow you to have a library membership wherever you live or wherever you want to in the state. I have a Los Angeles card, I have a San Francisco card, I have an Oakland card. So if one library doesn't have the book I'm looking for, I can switch accounts. But this allows me to put my headphones on while I'm working on a model. I get through maybe 2 or 3 audiobooks a week, and it's not costing me a fortune. It's a really great resource and it's free. So I really want people to know about that. All right, thanks for watching. These have been my favorite things. I hope you have a great year, and check back in next year to see what my new favorite things will be.